Like most things, tire repair kits come in all different ranges and kinds when it comes to their inclusions. You might purchase a basic kit that has only a puncture patch, for example, or you might carry a fully stock reparations kit that will let you change out an entire wheel. We understand that carefully evaluating the perks and drawbacks of all the repair kit possibilities is crucial in figuring out which one actually meets your needs, which is why we've been doing some research and collecting options to compare and contrast. There are many products available to choose cheap tire repair kit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap tire repair kit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. If you're a jack of all trades when it comes to the kind of wheeled vehicle you own or can regularly be found driving, then it's probably the best idea to invest in a tire repair kit for the pocket of your backpack that's quite universal and can handle small repairs on just about anything. This all-purpose repair kit from Boulder Tools is the perfect example of what we mean. For a reasonable price, this kit features tools in a range of smaller basic sizes, flat tire plugs, durable full-size pliers, and a full instructional manual. All the pieces come organized in a durable case, and the whole thing is covered under warranty for a year. Although this kit can feasibly be used on all kinds of vehicles, ranging from trucks to bikes to ATVs, the limited size and range of the tools clearly make it a more diverse pack for smaller tires and frames. You'll still benefit from having one of these in your car or truck, but the tasks you can perform with it will be slightly more limited. Number 2. Brand PITSTOP Tubeless Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Are you looking for a slightly smaller kit that you can carry a little more space efficiently, but you also need something that's specifically catered towards use on tubeless tires? Then perhaps this kit from Brand PITSTOP is the kind of thing you're looking for. Whether you're riding a bicycle or a motorcycle or driving a car, this kit will work on your tires, providing they are a tubeless model, as most are these days. The kit is formulated for ease of use, friendly to beginners, and even intended to enable your repairs without even forcing you to remove the tire first. As reflected by its price, this kit is slightly less thorough in the sheer number of tools it contains. This doesn't make it a less quality choice for its intended purpose by any means, but it does limit the kinds of additional repairs you can do beyond dealing with punctured tires. Number 3. Tooluxe 50002L Universal Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. Were you quite intrigued by the easy-to-use nature and universality of the first kit we showed you, but you couldn't help wondering if it was almost a little too well stocked, and whether you might not actually use all of the things it had to offer? Then we're convinced you'd prefer this more basic option from Tooluxe that contains everything you need to repair a punctured tire of any kind, but without all the added extras you saw in the first orange kit. That great durable case is still the same, though. The drawbacks to this kit are similar to the first one, but for different reasons. This time, rather than the size of the available tools being what limits some of the repairs you might feasibly face on the road, it's their absence. Number 4. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit. This next option from BETOOLL might not look like the most thorough kit you've seen so far, but it actually is on the better stock side in the grand scheme of things. In fact, it contains an impressive 22 pieces altogether in that little square case. The whole goal of this kit in its entirety is to be, according to the brand, simple but complete. This is partially achieved by the two main tools you see on one side being adjustable in terms of their tips. You can change out what's there and replace it with a multi-tip piece. All in all, the kit gives you everything you need to temporarily repair a tubeless tire, fitting it all together in space efficiently like a puzzle. Although this durable little kit was created to be impressively long-lasting from the outset, it does have a warranty. This warranty, however, is very limited. It only covers you for a full refund on any manufacturing flaws you might find upon receipt. Number 5. Secureguard 66-piece Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit. If you're looking for something a little more well-stocked and heavy-duty, since you're on the road a lot, and you know it takes a toll on your things, then we encourage you to check out this kit from Secureguard that's not only a little more thorough and built for versatility, but also has safety measures in mind. The case, for example, has a neon hazard sign on the front that you can prop up in a visible spot in case you break down at night, ensuring that passing cars will see you and pay your mind. The kit also boasts a pair of durable cloth and rubberized palm gloves that will protect your hands while you work. Besides the hardy steel of the tools themselves, the plugs and even the case that this kit offers you are all built with durability, accessibility, and organization in mind. Because this kit was specifically created to be so long-lasting, it's naturally a bit more of an investment in terms of price. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.